Okay, so this I'm recording for the band people. Alright, but this is gonna be your bell ringer for today. If you all would, start on number 5. And after you finish number 5, you are going to take out the notes from yesterday. Let's just do 5A and 5B. And we'll say 5C and D for tomorrow, okay? Work on those for me. And then get your notes out from yesterday. And let me show you how this averaging works, okay? It would actually give you X equal to negative 18, which is number 1. So number 1 is number 2. And then this probably you put number 9. And then you see where 9 is.
So whatever the
Takes you to. And then this problem should take you back down to if you do it right, okay? It would just be small. All right, let's make this a short class. Y'all just want to do these together. On the post attendance real quick, I'm sorry. Owen is in the band, right, Emma?
Yes,
Okay. And then, y'all let me know who's in the band. Jalea, no, just absent.
Yes, ma'am. She not here.
What about Bailey?
She a band.
Tanaya?
Band.
Emmanuel?
Band.
Princeton?
Band.
Okay, all right. We're gonna take it easy today, okay?
Dang, that's not even.
I got to finish the notes though. I want you to finish these notes tomorrow. I don't like going there. They can watch the video, but they're not gonna watch it.
Do I just write the number down? I gotta put a problem down.
Just write the number down on the back. All right, guys, it's I recorded it. Okay. All right, so on A, I'm gonna use what property?
Distributed.
What is 6 times negative 4t?
Negative 24.
Negative 24t. Okay. Negative 24t. And we're just deciding if these are equivalent. What's equivalent mean again?
The same.
The same. Everybody with me? And what is 6 times 5?
Positive 30.
Positive 30. So go over here and check these out. What is negative 2 times 5?
Negative
15, sorry.
negative
So already I can tell you that these two are not the,
Same.
yeah, y'all don't even have to finish. Definitely.
I was gonna say since we don't tell you maybe I saw them on
Mhm. All right, so let's put a note to that one. All right, and then for B, let's take a look at B. For B, I need a fifth of 20, so you're just gonna do top times top, and
I'm gonna talk about
what number goes underneath 20?
1,
What do I get on the top when I multiply 20 and 1?
20,
What about the bottom?
5,
And what's 20 divided by 5? 4. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's gonna be 4t. And then I gotta do 1/5 times negative 15. And put negative 15 over
1.
Okay, what do I get when I multiply across the top?
Negative
15, and on the bottom, 5, okay? So that's negative 15 divided by 5. 5, 10.
15.
So basically it's 4t minus,
3.
and this is already 4t minus 3, so this would be a,
Yes.
yeah, that's pretty simple. Everybody get it? Okay. Okay, take out the notes from yesterday, we're gonna finish up, okay? And it's not gonna take us that long. After this, you're just gonna do your homework, and the group that I'm recording for, I told them I will post this afternoon, they'll be responsible for it too.
We're gonna do 6 and 10 today.
Okay, let me find it. Yeah, I think I closed it out yesterday. That's not it. That's not it. What numbers are we finishing today?
6 and 10. It's 5 through 12, but we didn't do 6 or 10 yesterday.
Okay, all right, hold on, let me get it. Let me get it pulled up, y'all. Give me a second, okay?
What was it? My box?
It was your box.
Thank you.
Okay.
I did you.
All right, everybody got the notes out? And we're almost done, guys, okay? Did the algebra tiles help y'all on making the zero pairs?
We only have 8 more problems though,
Okay,
and they're really easy problems.
okay. Okay, so we're on number what now?
Number 6 and number 10.
Oh, I told you all to do these for bell ringers today, and I didn't,
Yes, ma'am.
I found something else for a bell ringer. Okay, hit the 6. What do I make a zero pair with, guys? 7 point,
7.1, and it's gonna be, you're gonna have to put it as
negative 7.1.
and whatever you do to the other side, you have to do this.
Okay, S8 or DS on this side?
SA.
How do I know that?
Because they go in the same direction.
Yeah, so that gives me negative 10.5, and that's all you do. Okay. This stuff to me is super easy. But I'm a math teacher though, but how many of you think it's easy too? Okay, good. Okay, and then what was the other one we had?
Number 10.
10? Would anybody like to tell me what we make a zero pair with on this one?
17.
How do I make it?
You do negative 17.
Yes.
And you have to put it on both sides. Can I sharpen my pencil?
Yes, ma'am, you may. You're welcome. So on the right side, I'm left with a positive X, and then on the left side, it's just 20. That's it. That's all you do. Is there another one we have to do for the do now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's go to the fractions, guys. Y'all remember what to do with the negative X's? Flip. Okay, all right. All right, so the main thing you have to remember here is that you need a common what?
Factor.
Well, let's put common multiple, not a factor. It's called a common denominator, okay? You're looking, it's common multiple, guys, all right? But you need a common denominator. In other words, you need to do the T-chart on this, okay? Some of you might be good enough with this now that you don't need the T-chart. I don't know, what do y'all think? How many of you think you still need the T-chart? We'll see. What happened to your notes? You lost them? Okay, hold on, so we don't have to do all that, okay? Alright, so I'm still going to make a zero pair. Y'all AirPods and stuff out when you come in. Okay, draw your line. Draw your line. And let's make a zero pair. So what's on the side with X? 3/8. How do I make a zero pair with three positive 3/8? Okay, everybody with me? It's not a whole number, it's not a decimal, now it's a fraction, but who cares, you're still making zero what?
Pairs.
Yes, now I'm up with X. Now I just need to do the T-chart for what denominators? 8 and 5. I want to do 5 and then 8. Okay, anybody need a multiplication chart? No?
It'd be 42.
It'd be 40. Okay. There you go. Okay.
It's 40.
Okay, so it is 40, but I'm gonna skip count, okay? Alright, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30,
35.
35, and 40. And over here it's just 8, 16, 24, 32, and there you go. Alright, what do I multiply 5 by to get a 40? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means I gotta multiply up here by 8 as well. Okay, have I lost anybody? Okay, that's why I said in the beginning of the school year, I can't teach you 7th grade without knowing basic math. Okay. Alright, what do I multiply 8 by?
5.
So I multiply this by, okay, so off to the side, keep your sign, negative 8 over 40, keep your sign, negative 15 over,
40.
did I lose anybody?
No.
So S8 or DS? Why S8? Yeah, they go the same direction, both of them go left, so just add the two top numbers. I get negative 23, and I'm done. That's all you do. Get through. Make sense? Y'all sure? Okay. All right, let's tackle number 14. What do I make a zero pair with?
3 over 4.
So what's the opposite
Negative
of
3 over 4.
what's the opposite of negative 3 over 4?
Positive 3 over 4.
Okay.
And would you guys want something?
Very good. It keeps your equation balanced, right? Like a seesaw. So now S is equal to, what's 7 plus 3/4? You don't have to find a common denominator.
You said 7.
Plus 3/4. You got 7 wholes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you got all of these. Okay? You got all 7 of them. And then here you only have 3 out of 4. So what's all of that plus 3 out of 4? That's 7 plus 3. 7 3/4. There you go. You don't even have to have a common denominator for that. It's like having $7.75. So it makes $7.75. Does that make sense? Y'all sure? Because it's addition, that makes it really, really easy. Okay, now I'm going to show you all what you wanted to see. Okay? Because y'all like seeing the math. May I erase my pictures? So for the math, you need a placeholder fraction with addition and subtraction. So this becomes 7 0/4 plus 3/4, which is how we get 7 3/4. How many of you like the placeholder fraction better? Because that's what we were taught in the beginning. All right, write that down then, okay? Write your placeholder fraction. Now hold on, baby. I got you. With multiplication and division, you would use a 1. With addition and subtraction, you use a 0. Yes. what you do on one set, you don't do on the,
Other.
yeah, so if you use a 1 on multiplication and division, don't use it on addition and subtraction.
Anyways, I'm gonna put that.
That's minus 27, negative 9 times positive negative 27. I know, signs, watch your signs, Betsy. Okay, all right, may I move this, guys? So everybody got the placeholder fraction, right? Okay, is this what's next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anybody wanna give me my zero pair? What do I make a,
Negative 709.
okay, how do I make a zero pair with it?
Positive 709.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do it to both sides. These are going to,
Cancel each other out.
and I'm left with X. So I definitely need to do the T chart. What's gonna go at the top of my T?
7. Oh wait, no.
4,
4.
4 and
4 and
9.
Oh yeah.
The denominators. Alright guys, y'all ready? Alright, 4. Y'all find it for me, tell me what it is.
4 and 36.
Savannah says it's 36. Do you all agree? Yes, Chase agrees. Alright. I'm gonna list them. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 30. Here. 9,
18, 27, 36. Let's go with 36.
okay, so let's multiply. What do I multiply those by? 9.
9.
That's it, come on. You gotta get together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9. And then the bottom you'll have to multiply it by 4.
By what?
4.
Alright, y'all ready? Okay, are you following me? Okay, so now we end up with negative 7 and 9 over plus 28 over. Let me see where my brains are. SA or DS, guys?
DS.
Why
Because
DS?
one's positive and one is negative.
When you do DS, that's subtraction. My larger number has to be on top. Is my larger one already on top? Yes, because 7 is much bigger than
Then
11. Everybody with me? But what's the problem? Yeah, how do I know I gotta regroup?
Because you can't take 9 away.
You can't do 9 minus.
28.
Who remembers how to regroup? I'm gonna be so impressed if you remember how to regroup with fractions. Yeah. Well, he stole it, y'all. She said you add the top and bottom. What happens to this right here, though?
If it become a 6.
So put negative
6.
and add the top and bottom number. Y'all add them up for me. 9 and 36. Is it 45? Okay. Then you put it back over 30. And then this is plus 0 and 28 over 36. Okay. Now can I subtract?
Yes.
Yeah. Y'all do 45 minus 28. And I have to go up to the side. You already got it. You are fast. What'd you get?
How you already?
Is it 6 or negative? Why is it negative? More to the left than it is to the.
Right.
You don't understand the regrouping, all of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did taking a month for school in the beginning help? So solidify some skills that we didn't.
Yeah,
Kinda
because
shape.
at first I was just like.
I know. I remember.
That was bad. That was horrible.
I
didn't want to do nothing.
Yeah, because you didn't know a lot of it. Okay, there's too many gaps there. All right, anybody want to tell me something you see off on number 16? I see something on 16 that stands out.
A negative X.
I see a negative X, definitely. I'm gonna have to flip in the end. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, but what do I make a zero pair with to start off with? well,
Yeah.
with this, but you make it positive 8 and 1
4.
over 4. I'm gonna erase this so it's not so jumbled, okay? Positive 8 and 1/4. And what you do to one side, you do to the
Other.
I'm not doing the T-chart again. Why?
You already did.
You already did it. It's right. There
36.
it is. Okay, but let's not bring down a positive X. Let's bring down a, okay, and then who can tell me what to multiply the 5 and 9 by? You already did the T-chart. 4. What about 9? Okay, here we go. This is gonna end up being -2 and 20 over 30, and this is gonna be 8 and 9 over, S8 or DS?
S.
Why DS?
Because they go 2 different ways.
DS? I have another problem though.
This was laying on the floor and all that. What is that? I don't know. What is it?
That's a science project. Those are ice crystals. Yeah, salt and water. I see it. Okay, freeze.
I didn't know what it was.
It's the science.
My mom. Continue.
Let's continue.
My mom
Okay.
went the way other way.
Okay. All right, guys. So let's. I know what they are. They're probably David Lee.
Yeah, he said crystals.
He did.
Yeah, he had crystals yesterday.
Yeah,
You don't need
I know.
those.
Yeah, I'm gonna give them to. I see it on 5th period. All right, guys. Heads up. So I need to subtract, but I got a problem because my 8's on the bottom when it should be on the what?
Top.
So let's rewrite this as 8
8
and 9 over
36
minus 2
2
and
20 over 36.
oh my goodness, I got another problem. Yes, why?
Because you can't do 9 minus 20.
Okay, what's the 8 gonna become?
You mean 9 minus
Okay, what do I do with
Yeah.
these two? Okay, that gives me and 45 over 36 minus 2 and 20 over 36. What do y'all think about that? Did I regroup correctly?
Yes.
Now may I subtract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is it gonna give me?
5,
And 25 over 30.
6.
And it's more to the right. So it's positive, but I got a negative X flip. So what's that gonna become? Negative. You get it?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand why you flip both of them? It's a lot of math, isn't it?
It is.
Can you do it? Okay. How many of you had it before me? Be honest. Y'all have to work with me.
I was flipping it when you
Doing it. I don't know what this is. I can't read it. It didn't ran together on me.
I can read it for you.
Jeff had it was checking for
It
his
ran
fees,
together on mine,
paycheck, After his paycheck, Jeff had
After his paycheck.
to be used to represent the situation.
What the world? Oh, I think it says he received his paycheck.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
Okay.
All right. So y'all, an equation says write an equation that can be used to represent the situation. So what Jeff started off with 274.98, and then he got his paycheck, and then after his paycheck he had $847.37. Okay. Write an equation that can be used to represent the situation. Then tell me what was his check value, okay? So all you do on something like this is tell me where you start and where do we end, and that's gonna help us build our equation. What Jeff started off with? 274.98. And then he got what?
$847.
No, he didn't. Then he got paid, didn't he?
Oh yeah, he got.
I gotta do the
He got
stuff in
paid.
order,
Yeah,
right?
Right.
He didn't just jump to that.
He
He got paid. Do I know how much he got paid? Do y'all know how much he got paid? Off the top of your head, do you know, yes or no?
no.
Okay, so whatever you don't know, you put as in, this is, I don't know, X. So X has to represent,
The amount that he got paid.
yeah, the amount he got paid. Whatever you don't know in math, you let it be somewhat a variable, guys. Did it have to be an X? It could have been any letter of the alphabet, I don't care. Okay, so he started off with that, and then he got paid, but he ended with, what he ended with is your equal.
So equal to
$847.
$7.
Yeah, how many of you understand my equation?
You really got paid like $500.
Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out in a minute though. So how many of you understand this equation? What did he start with?
274.
What did he get paid? You don't know, so you put an X. And then he ended up with,
$847.37.
you just do it in order. Y'all got it? Now, all you have to do is make what kind of a pair? Make a zero pair. What am I making a zero pair with? 270, 274. Everybody with me? Alright, I'm gonna post the answer key. It's already posted, I believe. It was posted yesterday. And see if you got them right, okay? So what you do to one side, you do to the, let's see how much Jeff's paycheck was. Because X represents his paycheck. Do I need to regroup or not, guys?
Yes.
Yes, so this is gonna become a
2.
2. Everybody with me? This becomes a, I need to regroup again because I can't do 2 minus 9. This is gonna become a, and that becomes a 12 minus 9 is, okay, and then what's 6 minus 2? 6 minus 4?
2.
2. You know. Do I need to regroup again?
Yes.
So this becomes a,
7.
and that becomes a,
14.
put minus sign, put the minus sign. So how much did Jake get? Jeff. Yeah. Jeff actually got a check of $572.39. Jeff didn't do too bad. Okay. Now get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understand how I set my equation up?
Yes, ma'am.
He started with something, he got paid X, and then he ended with 8 something.
That was our last problem. That we
Got all
had
of
to
them
do.
right? Alright, you have free time. You got test tomorrow though. The test tomorrow will look like a scavenger hunt, okay? Alright, let's see. Y'all know how to find perimeter of a rectangle?
I forgot.
That's area.
No, I don't have a size.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm so
And
smart.
all the sides. That's gonna give us what again? I don't like the way that's looking. Add all the sides.
Do we still do like terms?
Well, you set up an equation now, so it's different.
Okay.
But you might have to do some like terms. We'll see. I don't know. All right, the width of the rectangle is 8 centimeters less than this length. Okay. Do I know this length? I don't know. So let's do it. Let's do length of L. I don't know it. Oh, let's I don't know how long it is. You can use whatever variable you want to. Everybody with me?
Yes, ma'am.
But I do know the width is 8 centimeters less than this. So the width is 8 centimeters less than L. So it's L minus 8. Somebody tell me how did I figure that out? Yeah, less than should be subtraction. Okay, if you got $8 less than me, to figure out what you got, I just need to subtract your 8 from mine, whatever I got.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Y'all see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna subtract 8 from this. Does that make sense? If you subtract 8 from L, it's L minus 8. Alright, the perimeter of the rectangle is some algebraic expression that can represent the situation. Okay, we're gonna calculate the length. I'm gonna do the length and the width, okay? Alright, so how do I know I found perimeter again?
Right on the side.
Okay, what's this side? L? What's this side? L? Okay. What's this side?
L minus 8. So plus L minus 8 and then plus
What's this side?
L minus 8.
And all together, if you add it up, I'm gonna say, we missed it somewhere. I'm gonna say the perimeter is, y'all write this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I gotta calculate, guys. 32 centimeters. Okay, write that down on your paper somewhere, because you're gonna need that. We said the perimeter is 32 centimeters. See y'all with? So if I add all these sides up, I get 30. Does that make sense? Now all I have to do is combine like terms. Okay, that's term 1, term 2, 3, 4, 5, and
6.
okay, which terms can I put together?
1, 2, 3, and 5.
How many L's is that?
4.
4. Okay, what other terms can I put together?
4 and 6.
What do they make?
16.
Negative
16.
Now, can I make a zero pair?
Yes.
I'm gonna do it right here. Let me move this over so it looks better. Cause I like for my equal sign to stay on my line. Make a zero pair with negative 16 and put 16 positives. But what I do to one side, I do to the
Other.
So 4L equals to 48. Now what? Oh, never mind. I didn't talk about this.
I was lost. I was like, what's going on?
Skip this.
Sorry. I want to know how to do it though.
Sorry, no, I'm gonna teach you that later then. I'm sorry, it's in the wrong section. No, you'll learn that tomorrow. Okay? You'll learn it tomorrow. I don't wanna get too ahead of myself. Alright, the only thing I want you to do is you're gonna go back to the classwork tab. And third period. So the only thing you have to do, guys, is you gotta do that homework for me, okay?
Can you just leave it up on the board and let's do it?
I will.
Thank you. So my computer did. Yeah, mine is too.
Alright, there you go.
That looks so cool. You know, I like fingerprint.
Good. Alright. Be careful on this one. You're gonna make a zero pair of what number? Negative 86. Here you have to keep in mind your X is negative.
I know that's what I need to do.
I know. Keep working. Just work it though for me, okay? Now y'all can help each other.
Yeah. Good.
You can help each other. Chit chat quietly, but do your work. You can help too, yeah.
Yes.
She can help. Go sit over with those girls.
This don't need no help.
I do need help. Just you can sit here on school. I'm big and slow. I don't know. On all of it. Okay, but actually, I do a little bit because I begin slow. Okay, right now.
Get off that page and go into the restroom, okay? Be right back.
I do. Training too.
There you go, you can have it.
Oh.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Plus and negative equals a negative, right?
What?
Plus and negative equals a negative, right?
Yeah.
She like she's scared of tree.
That's not way.
You know
Oh, that's not bad.
Y'all know what I'm on.
Hey, get up out of here, man. Little fight in there, Randy.
No.
Yes. It's just like we're doing what? Oh, okay.
It's the same thing, it's just with fractions.
no.
Y'all gonna have to do
Wait,
that
I'm
next.
lost.
Yeah.
We do that one, right? This one.
I'm not sorry.
I'm talking about y'all gonna have to do it after y'all get done with this.
86.
I would
And I'm gonna have this subtract. Wait, no. It's equal 11.
Does it? Which one do I win?
Like that's the point.
But you forgot what you want.
Oh, guys,
And then you're gonna have to use subtract.
She over there vibing that song. So that's 11.
I'm gonna die to
Hey.
It's negative. It's negative 11.
I know. Oh, yeah, you right. I always do forget my song. Oh. Teach me what it is. I'll tell you, Mom.
I bet you I get it right. I'm not letting you.
She's at the test one, right?
X equals 55. So I should put the wrong thing on.
It's about somebody. See, one goes.
I ain't never saw that movie in my life.
Whatever this equals.
Anyway.
That's what the answer is. So number one.
Okay, alright.
It's Candace.
They already done it. I don't know what you gonna do.
It's gonna be.
I think I
Right.
had-
I think it was gonna be X equals 11 equals X.
Someone I had early. It's a positive X right there because we had to flip it over.
Look at X.
Yeah, you should wait.
I don't like flipping them, so I don't.
Read it 27. Oh, you right. I got it. Wait, no, we do negative 27 because that's positive.
Oh, that is a positive.
Yeah, you right. So then that becomes a 0, but you gotta do 27. You add on that side. She talked to me.
Yeah, that's all. You only got 6 problems, you only going to.
Oh, is that how you do it? I did right. I did.
But this is.
I did not spell my middle name.
They're both the same.
But they cancel each
But they
other.
cancel each other out, and one's positive, one's negative. But you'll just keep the positive with it.
What's she doing? Taking a shit?
I think
She probably went to her car.
She said she was going to the bathroom.
I know she grabbed the keys.
Oh yeah, you right.
she don't have
She,
to.
if she didn't want to run it, I would have been out anymore. I would have been wanting to think how to use a better shit.
She probably wants to go far and get her lunch. I don't think that much.
It's nice.
Uh-huh. I'm coming, Kayla.
Me?
Oh, you know that stuff that was in there? Mr. Here? No, in there. Mr. That one day.
Andrea.
The blackberry. Mine's a star.
Andrea.
Mr. Lee?
He's the one who like the nails on him.
Destiny, Andrea, Kelly.
How long?
Let me look. That's another one. It ain't nothing.
It's number one, right? It should be.
It should be -11.
Don't you guys say from?
Don't you
Right.
guys up there?
Oh, he ain't solved it.
You gotta know that.
Wait.
Don't you have a flip this
Huh? I'm coming.
Okay, I need to check with my ass.
Okay. My head hurts so bad, you know. You made a 0 pair. Okay. You made a 0 pair. Did you do opposite? That's a negative X.
I put negative eight. I flipped it.
Then that would have flipped too.
Oh yeah, because it was your positive. Oh,
Yes.
Right.
Okay. You can't just flip one of them. You got the 12.
Both of them.
Yeah. Okay. Now you right.
Okay.
Now you good to go. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So positive flip.
Yeah.
It's positive flip.
Oh, because we had to flip. Oh my god.
You got to flip, not
I
flip.
got it. Not flip flop.
Flip, both of them.
You got flip flip.
You gotta flip instead of flip flop.
Yeah. My 45 flop.
Yeah, your 45 flop. Yes, you did.
I got jokes. What you say?
Well, that will help you remember. Now move it past number 3.
Finish it.
I
I am gonna finish it. You talking about number 3?
I'm gonna move it past number 3. Oh.
Oh! Hold on, wait, what?
Y'all something.
You got 10 problems with us. That's like
It's easier. To me, I think it's easy. I
You need
mean,
help.
that's like the foundation.
Yes,
of
you
the
do.
equation.
No, I don't. It's not
Let me see. Go sit next to Destiny back there, Michaela. Let's just keep an eye on you.
Hold on, Miss Blue.
You got it, Destiny, Michaela. Leave it alone. Let's see then. Let's see.
First of all, I'm gonna put you on the board. What's this?
Y'all get busy. Let me upload your lesson for tomorrow. Destiny, take it to the office for me since you can. I don't want to have to go up there. Kelly, Kelly. Get this to Miss Mitchell for me, okay? Thank you.
Where can you
Oh, I only had 6. I want done.
Measure zero pair, and then you do the opposite. Yeah, you did.
I know it. I'm just too smart.
I mean, it's very easy to.
Whoa.
You are very smart.
First of all, I'm very smart. Thank you very much.
She startled me here.
No. What you say? Yes, you got it right. Wait, why you write it like that? The X side. You be on the left side, not the left side. Right side. Oh, you did it right. Get that. You just made it. Oh, you talking about the X at the bottom? Yes. Think about it. This is built with this. Oh, I know it. Is that 260? Oh, I think it. Let's go get it. Miss Lee, if you take away from one of them and it's a 5, wouldn't that become a 15?
Let me see.
Wouldn't that turn out to be 15?
You can't subtract with the bigger number on the bottom.
So you have to put it on top.
Yeah. Whenever you subtract, the biggest number must always go on the top. Like this is side work, okay?
You got some tissue?
I brought some in here. Look on my desk. I just brought some in here.
Well, you want to hear about the craziest thing I did yesterday?
What you do yesterday?
She jumped off
We
the
was on the golf cart, right?
jumped off.
Be quiet. We was on the golf cart, and I been seeing folks on movies, so they be jumping out cars and stuff while they moving. So
And she wanted to try.
I was on the golf cart.
I'm already shaking my head.
I was on the golf cart, and the golf cart was moving. I thought I was gonna land on my feet because the golf cart don't go fast like the car do. But you know it. Yeah. She wasn't in her right mind.
I know you did not jump out that truck.
And I jumped off in the road too. And she hurt her elbow. I hurt my elbow, my eye, and my
I was
back.
taking you straight to East Alabama to get you saying about. You need some help. Okay? Yeah, lost your mind.
No, she said you need some help.
Good grief.
That's gonna be good. I'm gonna be done.
Did you hurt yourself?
Yeah,
You got some bumps and bruises, did you?
She showed me. I never do that again.
I know you
went
won't.
in the car.
I know you won't. Y'all pack. We don't have 2 minutes
I'm
left.
so weak.
Can y'all finish it for homework, please?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Oh, I'm
you.
already done.
Of course she is.
I know it. Low.
You get the plate cover. Negative.
Yeah, I'll take our room.
Supposed left, put negative on.
Oh, Lord, my fault.
9, 4, 9.
You line the decimals up on.
Don't say
You line the decimals up on that.
You can't run from nobody.
What you call it now?
Bad on open you in. Well, my dad was so bad to be trapped. Well, I know this will be trapped.
Okay. Okay. Is that a 32 base? Is that what that is? X minus 32 or 3.2?
We never
Is it? I don't know why I want to put 3.2. Y'all sit down. You know you don't leave if you're standing.
I thought I was going my feet. Too much sugar.
It's X minus negative.
Yeah. The positive there. 32 is bigger. Isn't it? Y'all have a great one.
You said y'all don't leave if y'all shoot.
They ain't saying anything.
Hush.
Okay. And
Not too much.
did you tell Brandon?
I told, he go,
Take care of it. Yeah, I want to stay here. But anyway, yeah. I know you don't want to.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
What's that do now?
It'll be okay. I mean, and my brother just called, he was like, she did what you this year, this last week. I whenever you go. Yeah. I just go support my mom.
Yes, that's what you do. You go and
Because I
support your
know
mama. Yeah, I know she.
She does this come for me, but when she talked this time, yeah, she broke down.
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, go be there with your family. Go ahead, baby. I don't even worry about that. Go on.
Shut up. Mind your own
Alright, guys, I gave you I told you you're gonna have to do now based off of what we didn't finish yesterday. So every group was different. Who can tell me what we didn't finish yesterday?
Look, that's what celebrating.